Welcome to our updated guide on how to view settings on Instagram using your Android device. Let's walk through the steps together. 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device to access your account settings. 2. Next, locate your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on your profile picture to proceed. 3. Now, look for the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on these lines to open the menu options. By following these steps, opening the app, tapping your profile picture, and accessing the menu via the 3 horizontal lines, you can easily view and adjust your settings on Instagram. Customizing your settings allows you to personalize your Instagram experience, manage privacy preferences, and control various aspects of your account. Remember to review and update your settings according to your preferences to enhance your Instagram usage. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope this guide helps you effectively view and manage your settings on Instagram. Enjoy exploring the various settings available to customize your Instagram account to your liking.